Let me guess. You want to glow up, but you're also tired. Not go to sleep tired. I mean, mentally drained, emotionally done, and physically not in the mood for a 6 a.m. lemon water boot camp. If that's you, welcome to the Lazy Girl's Guide to Glowing Up. Because guess what? You don't have to wake up at 5 a.m., drink celery juice, or be on your third workout of the day to level up. This is for the girls who want to feel better without faking the that girl energy. Let's glow up, realistic AF. The biggest mistake I made when I started, trying to glow up everything at once. Skin, body, bank account, soul, closet. Girl, that's a full-time job. Here's the lazy girl hack. Pick one area and baby it. Just your skin. Just your water intake. Just making your bed every day. When one thing improves, it creates momentum. That's how you build a glow up without burnout. Lazy girl glow up rule number 2. Romanticize the bare minimum. If you can't clean your whole room, light a candle and clean your nightstand. If you don't want to meal prep, plate your instant noodles like you're in a K-drama. The magic is in the intention, not the intensity. You don't need a 12-step skincare routine. You just need consistency with the few steps you can manage. Lazy girls don't follow routines. We follow energy windows. That means if you feel a little boost at 2 p.m., use it. If you're having a good hair day, film content. If you wake up feeling motivated, ride that wave. Stop forcing yourself to be productive at 7 a.m. if your soul doesn't come online until noon. Realistic glow-ups work with your energy, not against it. Here's one I swear by. Wear the energy you're trying to create. You don't feel like that girl? Put on the hoops anyway. You're tired? Spray that perfume. Throw on a matching set. Sometimes your body leads before your mind catches up. Outfits change energy. Smelling good makes you stand straighter. Lazy girl tip. Pick 2 signature elevated casual looks and rotate them like a cartoon character. Boom. Easy glow up. Lazy girl glow ups aren't about hustle. They're about shifts. Instead of saying, I have to do this, say, I get to do this. Instead of, I'm not doing enough, say, I'm doing what I can today. You're not lazy, you're just tired of pressure. Your glow up can be soft, quiet, gentle, and still powerful. So yeah, if you've been feeling behind because you're not on your 4th workout, journaling in cursive, drinking chlorophyll water, I'm here to say, breathe. You're still glowing, slowly, softly, lazily, but consistently, and that's enough. Drop a comment if you're in your lazy girl glow up era. What's one low effort habit that's secretly changing your life? Because this glow up, it's not about doing the most. It's about doing you, softly, realistically, and unapologetically.